the following forces acting simultaneously at a point. 100 root 2 Newton along northeast, 980 root 2 Newton along northwest, 1960 Newton along south. Let's show this construction. X-axis, y-axis, etc. Now, what are all the forces? 100 root 2 along northeast. Let us call this as F1. This is 45 degree. This is of value 100 root 2. Then 980 root 2 along northwest. This is F2, 980 root 2, and this is also 45 degree. 1960, that is F3, is equal to 1960 Newton along the south. So these are the three forces. Now let us resolve these forces into components. Now I will resolve this. I have F1 cos 45 and F1 sin 45. Let me resolve the other one also. If I resolve the other F2, this is going to be F2 cos 45 and we have F2 sin 45. So with this, what is the net force along x-axis? Along x-axis we have F1 cos 45 minus F2 cos 45. F1 cos 45 minus F2 cos 45. So if I simplify it further, this is going to be F1 100 root 2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. F2 is 980 root 2. This is 1 by root 2. So this is 100 minus 980. I should write difference. So 100 minus 180. What is the value of 100 minus 980? 100 minus 980 is nothing but minus 880 newtons. Which means that this is along which direction? Negative x-axis. Likewise, sigma Fy. We have F3 minus of F1 sin 45 plus F2 sin 45. F3 is 1960 minus F1 plus F2, 980 plus 100. That's going to be 1080 root 2 into 1 by root 2. So this is nothing but 1960 minus, this is going to be again 880 newtons. That is along negative y-axis. So the net force can be written like this. Net force is nothing but, Fx I cap plus Fy j cap. That is minus 880 I cap plus 880, sorry, minus 880, my fault, minus 880 j cap. This is the net force. And if you want to find the magnitude of the resultant force, this is going to be 880 square root 2. So this is the resultant force on the system.